Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy A34. First of all, open your settings, this one. Then find advanced features option here, this one. And now go into side key option. How you can see here we got our quick launch option, double press to power key and press and hold power key. So I want to activate our double press to power key, tap on this feature and choose, for example, quick launch camera. Let's try activate this, double press to our power key. And how you can see, camera is open. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.